It's quite crazy how much she's actually promoting witchcraft, not only in song and video, but also with little comments that she makes on Twitter and so forth. In fact, it's interesting when you look at Swift's 2020 music video for her song Willow, which is used, by the way, in a number of witchcraft spells. Swift herself had admitted that Willow, quote, sounds like casting a spell to make someone fall in love with you, end quote. And it's interesting that in Taylor Swift's dancing witch version of Willow, that it shows her as part of a witch's coven, and it shows her going out with other witches to perform occult rituals. Witches be like, sometimes I just want to listen to music while pining away, sulking, staring out a window. It's me, I'm witches, end quote. On Witchcraft tweeted, quote, we welcome Taylor Swift 13 to our tribe. And one fan, when I was reading some of the comments under one of the Willow videos, she states, quote, we are not Swifties now, we are witches, end quote.